You're Goan, you love fish. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to bring to you how they catch fish from the Arabian Sea in a very traditional way by using the rampon and the net. Ladies and gentlemen, it is thanks to Patricio Rodriguez who has brought this small rampon, baby rampon called as the yeni. And this particular thing, they are going to show you how they go inside and catch the fish. It's going to be on my plate, not yours. So here you are, the yeni. So there you are. You have seen what a small baby net called as yeni can do. You have seen two of them holding the bamboos on either side. Nazrat was here, and very anxiously on the beach we had Patrice Bab seeing what fish they caught over there. But first I am going to ask a question to Nazrat. Nazrat Bab, when you caught the fish inside the water, how did you preserve it? Is it in this?
When we caught, we just collect it and we put it. This is a basket process.
This is the basket. And what have you caught inside?
This is toyo.
Oh, he has caught a baby swordfish. No sword fighting. So here you are. This is how they catch. Ata, let us find out from Patrice Bab. Patrice Bab, maka ek sang. Ye janna poi tumi yeni marta. कित्याक मारतात ती इतलें काय तुमकां नुस्तें लागना कित्याक मारता
पूण आमकां ती गोंयकारांक संवय कडयेची
घरा खातीर मारता
कडयेन नुस्तें गोंयकारांक नुस्तें जाय नुस्तें नाल्यार गोंयकारांक जायना
व्हेरी गुड
ताका लागून आमी ती येणी लायता आनी केन्ना चडशी पावसान
होय
आमी हेच यूज करता आनी हेचेर कितें बारीक रावश्यो तवयो शेवटायो मेवता तेतून आमी कडी करून आमी उमेदीन जेयता
तुमच्या घरा
हय
सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमॅन दिस पर्टिक्युलर येणी is for their personal use, and if you want to have the food with them, ask them, and I'm sure they will keep their doors open for you. But without the fish, Goans cannot have their food, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now, we have seen the various types of nets. One is called as a rampon, one is called as a yeni, one is called as a janelle. But one thing we have to keep in mind, these are not things that last forever. Yes, there are some nets over here which are 25, 30 years old. They are huge nets. But what happens is when you get big fish, they rip open the net. You use the same net, most of the fish has gone out. So let us find out from Zoam Baptist Bab what they do with the net. Zoam Bab, म्हाका एक सांग, तुमची ही जेन्ना तुम्ही भायर वेता, सगळें जायें पिनता, कितें करता तुम्ही?
तेन्ना शिवची पडटा, तडशी घेवची पडटा आनी ती शिवची पडटा आनी ताका बंद मारचो, ताक मारचो पडटा.
तडशी म्हणजे कितें?
तडशी म्हणजे कलेक्ट बडी खंय आसता, ती विणपाची आसता, ती सारको हे नेट शिवचे आसता.
हां, म्हणजे आमी सुई कशी आसता तशी आनी ताका सूत आसता.
सूज आसता, सूज करून शिवपाचें आसता.
हां, आनी मागीर हे आतां बुराक ल्हान आसलो बरें आहा, व्हडलो बुराक आसलो जाल्यार कितें करता?
कुडको मारपाचो, पीस मारपाचो.
आसा हांगा दाखोवपाक तुका एक बुराक पडटा तो?
बुराक आतां समज हे नेट आहा न्हू,
हय,
ताका एक कुडको कातरपाचो आनी तो कुडको लावपाचो.
हां,
मागीर सारको बांदलो तो.
व्हडलो बुराक आसलो जाल्यार दुसऱ्या नेटाचो कुडको काडून
हेका लावपाचो.
हाका लावपाचो. व्हेरी गुड, व्हेरी गुड. आनी ल्हान बुराक आसले जाल्यार शिंवपाचो.
शिवपाचो, आशिया काडपाची.
ओके, तुमी कितली नेटां शिंवल्या?
आता म्हाका खूब वर्सां जालीं हांव रापणिना, 30 वर्सां तरी जालीं.
30 वर्सां जालीं.
हय.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fish that you eat may have been caught by the net which were repaired by Zoam Baptist Bab. So let us say thanks to them and to Patricio Bab. Thank you very much for your amazing help. Thank you. Thank you. Wasyam Bab, thank you so much. So for the Ramponkars Fest, you see how colorful the area has become, and you can see behind me that these young children are all set to regale you with the Goan, authentic Goan music and dances. Let's not waste time, let's watch them dancing. This festival organized here in Arambol is such a unique festival. It does not have a chief guest, it does not have sponsors, everything has come forth from the people themselves. And ladies and gentlemen, this village is very famous along with another village of Goa, the village of Khola in Konkani. Arambol is very famous for its chilies. If you want chilies, next time ask for Arambol chilies or for Khola chilies. And here the seeds in that chili are more and it is good for cooking. Arambol is the place to buy your chili and make chili powder of it. But right now I am going to see the dances happening on top. Follow me. Ladies and gentlemen, when you come to our Goan beaches, remember one thing, that we take care of you. The seas are very rough, but they are beautiful. And I am sure that when you come from your place, you would love to enter the water. Now when you enter the water, there are currents. Sometimes you get caught inside. Please do not enter the water if you have had a drink or if you have had food, because then it will give you cramps. And if something happens, we have got the warriors of the sea who deal in the safety, and these are the Drishti lifeguards over here. And please listen to them. Please do not disobey what they are saying, because what they are doing, sitting down on this beach, which is very, very hot, is trying to save your life. We do not want to lose any one of our close ones. And if you hear the whistle, this whistle, please look where that whistle is coming from, because that can save your life. But they don't spare any risk as such. They take a lot of risk to go out with these floats and to save the people. So on your behalf, I would like to salute these brave people who save the lives of our tourists. Thank you very much.